Very good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Dear students, today I am going to tell you the steps and the procedure through which you can attend online exam of our school. So, dear students, to attend online exam of our school, you need two apps. How many apps? Two apps needed. First is Google Chrome, second is Adobe Scan. Okay, so I have already downloaded it from Play Store. If you have also downloaded it, then no need to download it from Play Store. Okay, so here you can see Adobe Scan and Google Chrome is already given. Okay, so first step, just click on the Google Chrome. After that, the Google Chrome home page is open here. Here on the top you can see the address bar is given. So here in the address bar, what you have to do, our school web exam portal web address you have to write. So here what you have to write, Joseph dot p school school online dot in, then click and start. It is opening. It will take little bit time. Now our school exam portal login page is given here. Okay, here username and password it is asking. So all of you got the username and password, no? So here you have to type what? Your username. What you have to type? Username, whatever you got from the school. Suppose it is given PAR, then 000806, then password you have to type. Okay, password, whatever password you got from the school. Okay, after that just click on here login button. Okay, now here known, if you want to save the password, otherwise you can ignore it, close it. As you will click on the login, here you can see the login interface is open. Your photo, your name and detail is showing here. Then click here on the view button. Click on the view button. Now all the details of yours will be displayed here. Clear? Your photo, your name, class, section, details will be shown here. Here you can see three lines are given. Okay, three lines are given. So click on this tab. This tab you will click. Here you see different options are given. So many options are given. Here you have to select which option? Online exam. What option? Online exam. Here new tab is given, no? So click on online. Okay, now you can see here online is given and here subject is showing. What is here showing? Subject. So whatever exam that particular date you are having, that particular subject you have to select. So here I am selecting. You have to select whatever exam is there on that particular date. So suppose I am selecting mathematics here. Okay, as you will click on the maths, whatever subject, after selecting the subject, all the details of that particular subject will be displayed here. Means how much marks question paper is there, how many questions are there. Okay, then timing you can see here. Timing is given and then exam date is given here. Okay, timing, exam date and subject and all the notifications will be displayed here. So whatever time is given here, that particular time only that question paper will be appear to here. So here in this area, just after the this notification area, okay, you will, the question paper will be displayed. So what you have to do, you have to no, you have to see the question from here, then you have to write the answers in the answer sheet. No need to write the answer here on means in the app. Okay, you have to write answer in your notebook, sorry, in the answer sheet by hand you will write. Then you will, after writing answer of each question, so only questions you can see from here. You will see the only questions from here, and that answers you will write. After completing the answers, writing the answers of all the questions, what you will do, you have to, here you have to scan that document, you have to scan your answer sheet. So here exam over timing is 10:30 is given. So suppose 9th class 12 o'clock, I think 10 to 12 o'clock exam timing is given. So 12:10, within 10 minutes you have to scan your answer sheet, then you have to save as a PDF and you have to send it to that particular subject teacher's what, personal WhatsApp number, dear students. Okay, so let me tell you that how you will scan your documents. So firstly, what you have to do, here is have to open Adobe Scan. Which option you have to open? Adobe Scan. You have already completed the answer sheet, you have written all the answers of the questions. Now you have to scan. So here Adobe Scan is given. Click on the Adobe Scan. Now you can see Adobe Scan is given. Here different options are given: whiteboard, form, document, business card. So what you have to select? Document option. Which option you have to select? Document option. After that, selecting the documents option, you can select here. See 4 dots are open here, no? Then click on which option? This scan option. Okay, now you can see here adjust, you can adjust the size, etc extra you can adjust. After adjusting, you can click on which option? Continue. Now here you can see one page is saved, you can check here. Okay, again next page if you want, next page, again here these 4 dots will be appear. Click on which option? Here scan option is given. Now you can see size, increase, decrease, whatever size perfect you get, then click on continue. Now you can see here 2 pages is already scanned, same like that all the answer sheet you can scan. Okay, all the answer sheet you can scan. Okay, now here you can see 3 pages. So all the answer sheet you can scan, then back. After that, cancel. Then you can see here, click on here, whatever pages you have scanned, you can see here all are showing here. Okay, here is given save PDF option is given. What is given? Save PDF option. Here is scan July 17, 2001. By default its name, this name will come, so you have to rename it. So here you can type whatever name is there. Suppose Rakesh is given. Okay, Rakesh. Subject if you want to write, or class you can write. So you can write Rakesh. Subject suppose maths, it is maths. So whatever name you may like you can give, then rename. Okay, then save PDF. Save PDF option is over. Click on the save PDF. Now here you can see that PDF is saved. After that, here is given which option? Share option is given. Click on the share option. Then click on which option? Share a copy. Now this option where you want to share this one answer sheet, whatever you have scanned, where you want to share. So WhatsApp, no? So WhatsApp. Then whatever teacher, suppose Minal sir is here, Okay, what is there? Minal sir, whatever teachers are there. So that particular teachers what personal WhatsApp number you have to send the scanned copy. So suppose Minal sir I am selecting and click on the send option. Now this one will be saved to what? This document, scanned document will be it will be sent to whatever teacher you will select, dear students. Now here you can see it is uploading. So these things that scan, you have to scan and send it after suppose 12 o'clock exam is ending time is given, no, so after 12 o'clock 10 minutes only you will get to scan this document, your answer sheet. Within 10 minutes you have to scan and save as a PDF and you have to send to that respective subject teacher. So it will be sent. Okay, it will be not accepted after 12:10, means 10 minutes is given to scan you. As the 10 minutes will be over, after 10 minutes you will send, that PDF will be there. So dear students, I hope whatever steps I told you, it will help you. You understood you understood it properly. If any doubt, you may call me. Okay. So thank you dear students for watching this video.